just know I need business. The hat gonna have to be on because the lace is looking crazy, but I have a client that's coming in about like 20 to 30 minutes, and this video is just gonna be like prep of me getting ready for my client. She's getting boho knotless. Put the chain on and remove my bracelet. I don't like the sound that I'm like, all I'm doing here. So comfy all the time. Like, this is my work outfit. Sweatpants, a crop top, and my apron. But when I put this apron on, just know I need business. And it's the holiday season, so I am literally so busy. I am so sorry. I had a client yesterday. I didn't finish till about 12 o'clock. I know next week is gonna kind of slow down, and it'll all be worth it when my baby has a Christmas tree full of toys. And I'm starting to love this braiding gel. Like, you donate a toy, I do all the hairstyles for $150. I do this every single year, so if you're seeing this now, you in Charlotte, book with me next year, girl. It's gonna be $150. I've been doing it since I first started here, so it's my third annual sale. And I donate the toys to Allen Brook, and nothing too crazy. I don't know, I probably won't ever work in the salon again unless I own it. This is my workspace. I found that when I like cut the hair off from the top, it's a lot easier to work with than when I try to fight with that tape at the bottom, trying to pluck every little piece off. Very annoying, 0 out of 10. Would not recommend, but here I am just taking it off of the packaging. And I saved my rubber bands. If you're a braider and you watching this, comment down below. Do y'all be saving y'all rubber bands? Because I sure enough do. But here I am. And I just wish that this braiding company would just sell the hair without all of this extra packaging, because this takes so much time. That's why I do this before my client actually shows up, for me to save some more time. But I don't put it on the rack, no special way. And I literally just use the rack as a holder. I don't put small pieces on the rack. I put them big, and I pick up my hair as I braid. I don't have to keep going back to the rack every single time it's time for me to braid. Actually, well, I just lied, because I do, but not for every piece, if that makes sense. Like, I hold the hair, and I'll do another video, a more in-depth video of how I do that, like how I am able to pick up the hair and braid as I go, instead of me standing there putting one little singular piece on the rack every single time. I used to do that, but I found that took so much. Like, I used to waste so much time doing it, y'all. I had to stop doing it, and I cut down my time by an hour. Can y'all believe that? But this is me just plucking off every piece of plastic and popping the hair on the braiding rack. This process takes about like no more than 10 minutes, if even that long. And you see I'm kind of like making the pieces a little smaller so they don't tangle as much when you do it smaller. And I kind of forgot that I was doing boho, so that's why I put it so far out on the rack. Here I am putting it back on top of each other, and I'm going to get ready to add the curly pieces to it after I finish this pack of hair. I didn't do it. I don't remember. I don't think I put this pack of hair on the rack. I think I just opened it, popped off the paper in the back, and put the rubber band pieces, holding it on the rack to save some more time. Because like I say, y'all, look how much time I'm wasting doing this right now. Imagine me doing this behind a client. That just adds more time to your braiding time. It's really doing it before they come chops down a lot of time. I live by this. And I'm sure y'all see me just throwing everything on the floor. Here I am picking everything up and getting ready to throw it in the garbage. I put it all on one piece, roll it up in a little ball. Sometimes I'll even use one of the rubber bands that come with the hair, but I did it this time. This is the bundle that I use. I use bundles instead of like the synthetic hair that comes in like the pack that's already folded. I just feel like the bundles last longer. I feel like the longevity that is in the bundles rather than free twist or any other synthetic hair, like the ones that come with like the weft and you pull it. I hate those, can't stand those. I found that when I just use the scissors and cut them bundles up, put it right on the rack, I save so much time. But here I am putting the curly hair on the rack also.
And this client requested that her braids be a little more fuller, so that's why my pieces are so big and why I added so much, because she wanted a lot of curls. She wanted a lot of volume, and also something different that she wanted that I don't really do with my clients. Well, at least my clients don't request, is she wanted her braids, the ends to be straight. I'm about to show you a clip of her hair. This is the final product. Yeah, nice and full, nice and curly, but yeah, that's how I do it.